and I got a colorful aura, like I got neon.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I'm back with another video. So I decided to go ahead and film my typical holiday look. All the products will be listed in the description box. If you like this video, be sure to click that thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos from me, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.